by the Intersecondary School Sports Association, Issa, to waive the mandatory minimum attendance and academic requirements for student athletes competing at this year's Boys and Girls Champs, specifically from schools severely affected by Hurricane Melissa. But while the attendance stipulation should be reinstated as soon as possible, meaning in order to represent the school, students must be attending school. But these academic stipulations to represent the school in sports is wrong. Any bona fide student of the school who is attending school should be eligible to represent the school at champs, in football, or cricket, or in jacks, or dandy shandy, or any other extracurricular activity. This thing where other students can join the cadets, or the scouts, or sing on the choir, but the sportsman has to qualify academically. That is discrimination. You go and tell it to the nation.